Hi guys, we just finished up a week of triangles, just naming them, and this week we're going to head into the area of triangles. So I'm going to just give you the formula and show you a couple quick examples. The formula right up here at the top is 1/2 base times height. So the area of rectangles is just base times height. Area of triangles that we're working on, we are going to multiply it by half, or take half of that. So the only real thing that you need to note here is the height. Height here is the very highest point of your triangle straight down to your base. So on a right triangle, that height actually is a side, but it's not usually going to happen like that. This side right here is not the height. The height is from the highest point straight down. That even works for an obtuse triangle. The highest point right here, straight down. Now it's not a part of the base. Okay, it doesn't touch the base there. It touches the extended base, like if I extended that. So let's go ahead and try a few examples. The first one is a right triangle. So we're going to go ahead and locate our pieces. Right here is our base, and our height then happens to be a side, and it's from the straight up and down, the very highest point straight down, so it is also 8. So when I go to do this one, I end up with the area equals 1/2. My base is 8, and my height is also 8. Now, I've told you can use a calculator. For those of you that just want to plug that right in, plug it right in and get your answer. I'm just going to take half of 8, which is 4, and then 4 times 8, which is 32. One thing we might not have talked much about is labeling. This is in centimeters, so I'm going to go ahead and put centimeters. But anytime you find an area, you square the label. So we're just putting a square on the label. So our answer then is 32 centimeters squared. The next one is an acute triangle where our base is right across the bottom, so it's at 68. Our height is from the highest point straight down. So it's not 76. You will not use 76 as your height. It's this 68 again. Now, it won't always happen that they are the same, the base and the height. But in this case, they are both 68. That's that base across here. And then the height is in red, and it is also 68. Now, I used my calculator. So I plugged this in, and actually, yeah, I'm just going to, I plugged that all the way in, and I ended up with 2,312 were in miles, and you will square the label. So that's my answer for number 2. The last one, okay, the last one here, the base is this 8 right here. Okay, now that's my base. My height is not this height here. Okay, the height is actually from the highest point straight down. So that is the 7 inches there. So my formula will look like 1/2 base is 8 and height is the 7 there. On this one, you can plug this right into your calculator now if you'd want. I say 1/2 of 8 is 4 times 7 is 28. And we are in inches, and I'm going to square my label. And that is the answer to this obtuse area. Hope you're having a great day, and this is helpful. We'll talk to you soon.